Hey there everyone, I'm Ryan and I'm here to introduce you to UBTECH's First Order Stormtrooper robot. Let's review all the items in the box of your First Order Stormtrooper robot. Oh nice, the First Order symbol. I'm already feeling like I'm part of the dark side. Inside you'll find your First Order Stormtrooper robot, a blaster pistol which is newly featured in The Last Jedi, global power adapter, quick start guide, and legal guide. Let's get started. All right. Aren't you a little short for a Stormtrooper? All right, let's review all the First Order Stormtrooper robot features and benefits from the top to bottom. At 11 inches tall, this is a walking, talking First Order Stormtrooper robot. As we saw earlier, a new Episode 8 blaster pistol is included. This blaster attaches to your First Order Stormtrooper robot's right hand. You can utilize the blaster pistol in mission mode via the app, which we'll get to later. Over on the front of the helmet is a built-in camera to let you see the world through your First Order Stormtrooper robot's eyes. Our Stormtrooper robot also features 3 different microphone arrays, one on the front and 2 on the back, that allows your First Order Stormtrooper robot to detect the direction of sound wherever the commands are given. Even down to the feet, your First Order Stormtrooper robot is packed with technology. This Stormtrooper has an IR sensor in the bottom of his foot. This ensures that he won't take a step in the wrong direction, or even fall off a table. Speaking of patrolling the area, whenever you issue a command, your First Order Stormtrooper robot will know which way to go, thanks to the accelerometer and the gyroscope. Last but not least, over here in the back, we have the charging port. A red light indicates it's charging and a green light means it's fully charged. Over here, this is the on-off switch. And just in case your First Order Stormtrooper robot falls out of line, you can press the reset button. Well, you're finally ready to rule the galaxy. Let's move on to the companion app.